Good morning, children. Today in this class, I am going to explain about the concept of exterior angles of a triangle. In the previous classes, we have seen the properties of triangles and interior angles of a triangle. Okay, in this class, now let us discuss about the exterior angles of a triangle. Okay. Now let us draw the triangle ABC. It is the triangle ABC. Here, these are the interior angles of a triangle. Angle 1, 2, 3. These are the interior angles of a triangle. Okay. The exterior angles of triangle are located at the outer side of triangle. Okay, suppose if you extend this line segment up to D, then the angle, it is the exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, here angle ACD is the exterior angle of a triangle. Here angle ACD, this is the exterior angle. Can be written as angle ACD. Angle ACD is the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, suppose if you extend the line segment up to E, here E, this is also one of the exterior angle. Okay, here this is also a exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle, it is the angle ABE. This is the one of the exterior angle. Like that, if you extend the line segment CA to F, then here one of the exterior angle is located. Okay, in this way the exterior angles we can locate. Okay, these are the exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, here we have to know the property of exterior angle of a triangle is the exterior angle in a triangle. One of the exterior angle in a triangle is equals to the opposite internal angles. Okay, now let us discuss about the exterior angle property of a triangle. Here the exterior angles are angle ACD, it is one of the exterior angle, and here angle ABE, one of the exterior angle. Exterior angles of triangle are just located at the outside of a triangle. Suppose if you see any angles in a triangle, then they will be treated as the interior angles. If any angles are located at the outside of the triangles, then they can be considered as the exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, now let us see the property of exterior angles in a triangle. Property of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, here we go. Now let us draw the triangle ABC. How to prove the property of exterior angle of a triangle is the exterior angle of any one of the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to opposite internal angles of a triangle. Sum of opposite internal angles of a triangle. Okay, now let us see here It is the triangle ABC. Here the angle 1, 2, 3, BC. Suppose here is the line segment DCD. Okay. We have to prove here the exterior angle. Okay. This is the exterior angle. We have to prove that this exterior angle is equals to sum of internal angles. Okay. For that we have to draw the line segment. We have to draw the line segment CE. Here it is x degrees and it is y degrees. Okay, this is the line segment CE. Okay, for that, okay, with the help of this, we can see. Okay, here the exterior angle is divided into two parts, x degrees and y degrees, with the help of CE line segment. Okay, now here angle 1 is equals to angle x. Okay, angle 1 is equals to angle x. How is it possible? Okay, from property of alternate angles, it is possible. Okay, alternate angles in a here. These are the alternate interior angles of a triangle are equal. So here angle 1 equals to angle x. Okay. Now angle 2 equals to angle y based on corresponding angles. Here we go. Suppose if it is the transversal line BD, here angle 2 and angle y are these two are corresponding angles with respect to the transverse line BD. So angle 2 equals to angle y based on according to corresponding angles. Okay. Now let us see here the statement is the sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle is equals to exterior angle of a triangle. Here is the sum of exterior angles x plus y. Here is x plus y, x degrees plus y degrees is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, from that here x plus y degrees is nothing but angle ACD. Angle ACD. Angle ACD equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Here this is the external angle. The opposite interior angles are 1 and 2. Okay, here we have proved angle ACD is equals to sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. Okay, from that we can say the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. Okay, based on this property, now we have to do some problems. Okay, once again I am saying the property of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, now let us write the property. The property of exterior angle of a triangle is sum of interior opposite angles of triangle is equals to exterior angle of triangle. Okay, this is the property of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, the property of exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle is equals to exterior angle of a triangle, or the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle. Okay, this is the property of exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, now let us do one problem based on this property. Example 8. In the figure, find the values of x and y. Here they have given a figure. This is the given figure. Here it is the exterior angle is 135 degrees. One of the interior angle is 65 degrees, and this is y degrees, and this is x degrees. Here the rotation is A, B, C, D. Okay. In the given figure, find the values of x and y. Okay. From that, here it is the given figure. From this, we can see the exterior angle of a triangle is 135 degrees. So, angle A, C, D equals to 135 degrees. Okay, here this angle ACD exterior angle is 135 degrees. Okay, we have the exterior angle property. Okay, since exterior angle property, we can write the opposite interior sum of opposite two interior angles of a triangle is equals to exterior angle of a triangle. According to exterior angle of a triangle, we can write the sum of opposite interior angles of triangle is equals to exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, from that we can write angle ACD is equals to x degrees plus 65 degrees. Okay, these are the two opposite angles. Okay, those are the two opposite angles. Okay, this can be written as angle A plus angle B. Okay, now let us write. Here it is angle C. Angle ACD is 135 degrees, and then angle A equals to x degrees. Then angle B equals to 65 degrees. Okay, from that we can find that x equals to 135 minus 65 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 70 degrees. Okay, this is the x value. Okay, now let us find the y. Okay, after finding the x value, we can find the y value very easily with the help of the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. From angle sum property, we can write all the angles, sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Here angle A equals to, we have find angle A equals to or nothing but x equals to 70 degrees. By substituting angle A 70 degrees, angle B 65 degrees, angle C y degrees, then its sum is 180 degrees. Now 70 plus 65, 135. 135 plus y equals to 180 degrees, then y equals to 180 minus 135, then y equals to 45 degrees. Okay. This is the y value. Here x equals to 70 degrees and y equals to 45 degrees. By using exterior angle of property of exterior angle of a triangle, we can find the x value. After that, by using angle sum property, we can find the y value. Okay, once again I am saying, in the given figure we have to find out the x y values. Okay, here they have given the exterior angle as 135 degrees. From that using the exterior angle property of a triangle, and ACD equals to the sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. Here the opposite to sum of interior angles is equals to x degrees plus 65 degrees is equals to 135 degrees. Then from that we can find the x value. Okay, with the help of using angle sum property of a triangle, we can find the y value. Okay, this is the example based on exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, now let us see the next problem, that is example 9. One of the exterior angle of triangle is 120 degrees. Then the opposite interior angles of triangle is in the ratio 1:5. Then find all angles in a triangle. Okay, this is the given problem. Okay, here the example line is one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 120 degrees. Then the ratio of opposite interior angles is 1:5. Then we have to find all the other angles of a triangle. Okay, now let us see. Here they have given, with the help of the information they have given, we can draw the triangle ABC here, and it is the exterior angle 120 degrees. Okay, by using this we can find the other angles. Okay, now let us see. Here angle A, angle B and angle C, and it is the exterior angle 120 degrees. Okay, they had given exterior angle as 120 degrees, and here let us assume that these are the internal angles of a triangle. Okay, they had given the ratio in the opposite pair of interior angles are angle A and angle B. Okay, now angle ACD equals to angle A plus angle B from exterior angle property. angle ACD is 120 degrees. Here angle A plus angle B equals to 120 degrees. The sum of opposite interior pair of angles is 120 degrees. Here okay, now let us see this is the given condition, and we have to find the value of A and B by using the ratio. They have given angle A is to angle B equals to 1:5. 1:5. Okay, from that the angle A is 1/6 into 1/120 degrees. Okay, here it can be written as the sum of all parts in the given ratio is 6. Okay, from that angle A is 1/6 into 120 degrees. Here angle A equals to 6 ones and 6 20s. Then we can write angle A equals to 20 degrees. And now let us see the angle B. Angle B is 5/6 into 120 degrees. Here 6 ones and 6 20s. Okay, from that angle B equals to 5 20s equals to 100 degrees. From that angle B is 100 degrees. Here angle A is 20 degrees and angle B is 100 degrees. And here it is from that we have to find angle C. Here we have to find all angles in a triangle. We have just find two angle A and angle B. So from the angle sum property of a triangle, we can find the other angle in a triangle. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees from angle sum property of triangle. From angle sum property of triangle, we can find very easily. Here angle A equals to 20 degrees, angle B equals to 100 degrees, and angle C equals to 180 degrees. Then angle C equals to 180 minus 120 degrees. Then angle C equals to 60 degrees. Angle C equals to 60 degrees. Okay, the interior angles of a triangle all are angle A equals to 20 degrees. Then angle B equals to 100 degrees. And angle C equals to 60 degrees. Okay, in this way we can find the all interior angles of a triangle by using the exterior angle of a triangle and by using the exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, now once again I am saying here the example line is one of the exterior angle of a triangle is 120 degrees. Then the opposite interior angles of triangle is in the ratio 1:5. Then we have to find the other all angles in a triangle. Okay, here they have given angle ACD equals to, here the angle ACD equals to 120 degrees. Okay, from the exterior angle property of triangle, we can write angle ACD equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Here the opposite interior angles are angle A and angle B. So the sum of opposite interior angles are angle A plus angle B equals to angle ACD. From that angle A plus angle B equals to 120 degrees. Okay, here they have given the ratio angle A is to angle B equals to 1:5. Okay, from that we can find angle A equal to 120 degrees, then angle B equals to 100 degrees. And after that, after finding the two angles in a triangle, we can find very easily with the help of angle sum property of a triangle angle C. Okay, angle C equals to 60 degrees. Okay, in this way we can find the angles in a triangle by using exterior angle property of a triangle. Okay, now in the next class we will see more problems on this property. Thank you, children.